Spring is here and your lawn is greening up. Unfortunately, those unsightly lawn weeds are not far behind. My name is Spencer, and I'm the assistant buyer for the garden center here at Esbenshade. This week we're going to talk about weed control in your lawn and how to remove those weeds should they appear. There are two types of weed controls, pre and post-emergence. Pre-emergence work to apply an herbicide that acts as a preventative and creates a barrier in the soil to prevent weed seeds from germinating. This is best applied late March into early April. The key is to apply it when the weeds are not actively growing. Now, with the quick warm-up this spring, we're near the end of that window. When using a post-emergent herbicide, it is important to apply it when the weeds are actively growing. The product needs to come in contact with the leaves of the weed in order to work. Now, these post-emergent herbicides come in two forms, granular and liquid. The granular form is oftentimes combined with a fertilizer that can be applied with a spreader. This is done May into June. With liquid post-emergence, they come in two forms, a concentrate or a ready-to-use. The concentrate needs to be mixed with water in a sprayer and applied directly to the weeds, the same as a ready-to-use. These are selective herbicides and will kill the weeds in your lawn without damaging or harming the grass. There are weed control options available for the organic gardener. These products contain corn gluten as their primary active ingredient. No matter what product you are applying, be sure to read the label. This will give you the proper rate and application time, as well as other instructions for the product to be effective. Some weeds, such as wild violet and yellow sorrel, will require multiple applications of a selective herbicide to kill. Using these products and techniques, you should now be able to control the weeds in your lawn. The next time you see these weeds will be in the obituaries.